Hey guys, so I haven't filmed in a very long time, but I'm gonna film today. I'm gonna film my updated makeup routine. Yeah, so let's just get into it. Let's see. So the first thing I do is I fill in my brows. I'm not gonna like film all of this, but I'm not very particular when it comes to my brows, and I need them done. I don't get my brows done a lot, probably like once or twice a year. And I just got them done for my birthday last month, so yeah. So I'm just gonna fill these in and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just roughly filled them in. My skin has nothing on it right now, so I'm taking my Nivea cream. And I meant to do this before I did the brows, but it's okay. Just put it all over. All right, that's good enough. So I'm only doing my makeup because we're gonna have a gender reveal for my cousin, and it's on Zoom. Yeah, so we're having a gender reveal for my cousin China. If I look that way, it's because my mirror is right here. So my eyebrow pencil is the shade Mocha. It's a Morphe eyebrow pencil, and I'm using MAC Concealer in NC 42 and 45 together for the bottom of my brows, and then on the top I just use NC 45 or foundation, depends on the day. But next, I'm not gonna blend this in yet. I'm going to take, so I just started trying this. Okay, so I got the one size powder. So I did like it yesterday. I did feel like I was having a reaction almost, but I'm not 100%, so I don't want to say it was the powder because that'd be messed up. But my skin is super sensitive, so anything makes me have a reaction. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this powder all over. And it is a good powder though, it's really good. Like, you see how I just blurred my skin? Next up, all my makeup is like behind me because my desk is like, it's just weird because I have a work from home setup over here, so it's just like a desk and it's just like annoying. But anyway, next I'm gonna spray with my Morphe spray, and then I'm just gonna blend everything in. And usually, like, you'd want to do primer first if you care, but like this area of my face doesn't really need primer, so I don't really stress it. All right, next I'm gonna take my Milk Hydro Grip. All right, next up we have foundation. All right, so what I use for foundation is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Cadiz. I just do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then the extra just put on my face like that. I use this brush for everything. You guys will see my old routines, I never really used brushes for stuff, and that's why I'm just wiping it off on a paper towel to get all the excess other colors that are on here off. That's good enough. And then just blending this in. Living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous. All right, next what I do is I do take my Maybelline, what is it called? Superstay 24-hour one. This looks gross, so I'm not gonna show you guys it, but I just do like a pump and a pump, just cause I do have like dark spots sometimes. All right, next thing I do is I take my Hourglass foundation stick and I contour. So then I go back in with the same brush that I told you I use for everything now, And I'm just I just take my beauty blender on the butt side and just smooth everything out real quick. This hair, how does that getting over here? Ugh. Okay, then what I do differently now, I take, I don't know why, oh, I got the mini one because I was going on vacation. But I take the Nars Concealer in medium dark to caramel. And I just go under here. After the show, after the premise, I like to go cool out with the family, sipping reminisce on days when I had a Mustang. Then I do still blend this out with the sponge. Sky, pop champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous by the glamorous. Next, I'm going in with my Kevyn Aucoin concealer, and this is in shade SX06. Taking a concealer brush, taking the smallest amount under here, right there.
I'm talking champagne, caviar, you deserve nothing but all the finer things. Now this whole world has no clue what to do with us. I got enough money in the bank for the two of us. Plus I gotta keep enough lettuce to support your shoe fetish lifestyle. So rich and famous, Robin Leach will get jealous. $500,000 but
I'm gonna take the smallest amount of double wear in medium sand.
taking trips from here to home. So if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
Taking my Huda Beauty powder and banana bread. And then I'm just gonna, before I put powder on, just clean this up. Get some powder on here. Alright, next I'm gonna put that down for a second. I'm gonna take my brush and my MAC mineralized skin finish. I said mineralized, wow, mineralized in dark deepest. Y'all, I'm gonna try it. I forgot to put my blush on, and that's the main thing. We're gonna try it though. We're gonna see how this works on top of powder. So what I'm gonna do is, since I forgot, I'm gonna spray my face really well so that it's wet. Take that same brush from before, and I have Daiquiri Dip in Fenty. Hopefully this works. Okay, I think it will. Okay. And then just blend it in. Yeah, we should be good. Usually I would do this before I set my under eyes, but yeah, not today. Let's see how it looks though. It might look cute. All right, now let's do the contouring, the bronzing. Jeesh. Living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, the glamorous. Glamorous, next we did that. Now I'm gonna go in with the One Size powder again. And I'm going to set my under eyes again.
I got people in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know. I got money in the bank and I really like to thank all my fans. I like to thank you really don't. 'Cause I remember yesterday when I dreamt about them days when I walked on the TV. I'd be really told there must be a long road and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so. He let his daughter know.
Alright. Next, what am I doing next? My MAC powder. NC45. Just buff this all the way.
Take your broke ass home.
Next, we then take the Morphe spray again. So that your face feels wet. And then we're gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush spray. All right, so we lathered our face, drowned our face. Now we're just... All right, and then I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm going to take my Better Than Sex mascara and my lashes. I'm gonna show you them because they're part of my lash line that I'm opening. And I'll be right back. Okay, so got my lashes on. I'm just going to, make sure I'm mute. I'm going to go back in with the bronzer and just blend this in a little better. Then I'm also going to take my favorite blush. Where's the brush? Favorite blush in the shade Peaches by MAC.
R-O-U-S, yeah, G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S.
Just take this eyeliner and go in the inner corners. I don't do a lot, I just do enough to like outline. That is on, that is on. Just gonna take a little more mascara and go on the bottom. And I also put mascara in my brows. Next we're gonna, last step, our lips. So I'm gonna line them. This is the Morphe Ashley Strong collection in Gilded Spirit.
Living my life in the fast lane, I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, a flouse, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous. Ooh, a flouse, the glamorous by the glamorous.
This Nude Truffle by NYX, I believe. Yeah. All right, on top. Then I take my Nars Concealer again, and I just...
Magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine. I'm no queen, I'm no shame. I still go to Taco Bell drive.
All right, next. So these are my favorite lip glosses. They're basically the same color. So this is Spite by MAC, and then this is Freebird by Morphe. So Freebird is just a little more glossy. It's not as sticky, but I'm gonna put on Spite first.
I don't care, I'm still real. No matter how many records I sell. After the show, after the premise.
This, and we're all done. So this is my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys watched, learned, enjoyed, and my camera's about to die, so thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. I don't know when that'll be. Hopefully it's soon because I have to record more because I need to get back into it. But thanks for tuning in, guys.
Cool live with the family, sipping reminisce on days when I had a Mustang. First class, up in the sky, pop champagne.